Well, I'm glad you joined me today for our Tip Tuesday because I have a secret product to tell you about that I love to use when I organize laundry rooms because it really maximizes space, and I hope that it might work for your laundry room. Hi, I'm Lorraine Brock, professional organizer and owner of a company here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area called Get Organized, where my team and I really get your home completely organized top to bottom. All right, let me show you the product that you've been waiting for. This product right here is actually a laundry drying rack. And this particular one is about 34 inches wide, so pretty wide and pretty bulky. Probably not going to work in most homes for being this size, but they do make them in various sizes, so make sure you're just looking at the space, the size that will fit in your space. The other unique thing about a drying rack is you want to look for something that's going to last. I mean, think about it. You're going to put a few holes in your laundry room wall. And whatever you get, you don't want it to break in a couple years or be real flimsy. So look for something like this chrome heavy-duty one that's going to be able to last for many more years. Also, you're wanting to check how much weight a laundry drying rack will hold. This particular one holds 55 pounds. That's a lot of weight, and it's really just phenomenal what this will hold. So they mount to the wall right here. Make sure you follow your installation instructions, and then you can pull it out, and it's accordion style, so it can go really far out, or if you only want it to a short amount of space coming from the wall, you can adjust it. But either way, you can hang rugs, you can hang curtains that you're washing, like a shower curtain. You can hang bath mats, clothing, swimsuits on these things. And because this particular one can hold 55 pounds of weight, one of the things you can do is when you mount it to the wall, it can also be used to hang your clothing that you're hanging on hangers coming straight from the dryer. So it can actually do both things. However, make sure you're watching for quality. Number one is quality outside of your size. Obviously, you got to measure your free space in your wall. Look at your walls in your laundry room. See if you have any open space that might be able to use one of these. Watch your head height. Make sure you don't hit your head on it. Obviously, you can push this against the wall when not in use and then pull it back. But definitely watch the height. And not only of you, but anyone else that might be in your laundry room doing laundry. We don't want them to hit their head either. But it's a great way to maximize space and to make your laundry room much more functional. Well, I'm Lorraine Brock here with Tip Tuesday, helping you get your home, business, and life completely organized.